Good morning and welcome to the Unhealed Healer. I'm Sandra and I want to talk to you today about reconnecting to reconditioning feelings when you are not feeling altogether there. And I want to share with you this beautiful morning. It's crisp. I chose to go to the park and I want to share with you these two little guys who are just walking around. And not just that, everything this morning feels quiet. It feels light. In comparison to yesterday, I remember yesterday I felt extremely anxious. I was feeling a bit lost. And I definitely woke up this morning in a lighter mood, and that's something I want to talk with you today, that every day, every moment, our emotions change for the better, and we want to focus on changing emotions or shifting emotions for the better. Let me show you a little more of this beautiful nature. And what's beautiful about taking walks, especially in the morning, is that it shifts your mood as soon as you wake up. Preferably, you don't have to take a shower, or preferably take a shower. But whatever is going to shift your mood, I enjoy, if I can, and if the weather is right. And I usually test it by going out and just taking a step out of my house and feeling how it feels and taking a deep breath in. And this morning is perfect. I love days like this. And for some, it may feel gloomy, but for me, it feels just right. And the fact that I feel like the universe has given me this day exactly the way I enjoy it tells me that maybe I created this. I created this morning. I created this beautiful walk. And there could have been a lot of obstacles in my way, a lot of reasoning as to why I shouldn't step out the door. I spoke to my partner, who I live with currently, and I try and get others to come and walk with me or step outside with me, and most of the times I end up going on my own. But let me tell you, the experience is it's always an effort to start doing it, but once you start, you say to yourself, why don't I do this more often? And this is exactly why. It's exactly why, because of the way I feel right now, because of the air. I mean, just listen. The breeze, the wind, it's quiet. And yesterday when I came to the park, I've been going through what you would call withdrawal symptoms, and I know mainly it's because at the moment my financial hardship is a bit strenuous, and so talking about regulating and shifting emotions when we deal with stressful situations like financial problems, that can trigger a lot of toxic stress. What I call toxic stress. For a person like me, I grew up in extreme dire situations when I was little, and I learned to adapt to my circumstance. And so what this channel speaks to a lot is finding ways or creating redirecting and developing coping skills like taking walks in the morning, journaling, reading, dancing, music, to redirect emotions that you may wake up with every day, because you had how many years of adapting to your circumstance. For me, it was, apart from my childhood into my adulthood, it just continued. The neurological connections that created this way of thinking, and I have a tendency to overthink, and that is most of my dilemmas. But what I really want to focus on now, today specifically, is the awareness of where I am, which is in this beautiful park, what my surroundings are, which is, let me show you again, this beautiful sky, a beautiful morning, the air feels crisp, the trees, this is a baby tree, he's growing, he's encountering, winter's coming up, so he's encountering, or she's encountering the release of leaves, and just everything else. And it's a quiet morning in the park, I guess because of the weather. It is a quiet morning. So in the material that I'll be presenting in this channel, we'll speak a lot to that, to creating awareness of where you are now, the present moment, and to be in the focus of supporting yourself in the awareness of your state of being now. And yes, so my circumstances haven't changed. I'm still, financially stressed, and I'm stopping here because something I did yesterday that truly helped me was taking my shoes off and my socks. And let me show you, so you don't think I'm crazy that I'm moving around so much. But I am going to walk around barefoot in the grass, and this is something that has been proven to have such great emotional benefits, psychological benefits, and just electrical benefits, because supposedly we are recharged when we reconnect to the earth through our feet, through our senses. Our feet have a lot of sensory responses, and so I did this yesterday, and it left me in such a state of energy that I said I have to do it again today, and especially with a cool, crisp day and just quiet. So I'm gonna leave you with this message. Never doubt that calmness is there for you. It's right there. It's waiting to regain connection and regain that touch of what it was with you. And just look at that sun. Breathe in. Exhale out. Take a step outdoor this morning if you're feeling from a place of not being able to connect. Just take a step out and look up into the sky. Have a beautiful day. I'm Sandra, the unhealed healer. Have a beautiful day with so much love.